In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a plugin to your WordPress website and be able to check when links are broken on your website, which happen all the time for a variety of reasons. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is if we go over here to plugins, we're going to add the broken link checker. And you can see here that it's by Janice Elst and Vladimir Prelovec. Sorry if I butchered that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to add new. And this is how you add your plugins, or you can go to the plugin website directly and download it from there. So we're going to go to upload plugin. Oh, sorry. We're going to go here to keyword and we're going to type in better links. You only go to upload if you've already downloaded the file. All right. I said better links, didn't I? We want broken links. All right. Let's go make sure I specifically have the one I want. Okay, it's the very first one on there, broken link checker. Then what you'll do is you'll see an install now button. Mine's faded out because I've already installed it. And just go ahead and click install now. And then once it's installed, you're going to activate it. And you'll be able to find your broken links down here under tools. I forget sometimes myself. It's under tools. So we're going to go over here and we're going to click on broken links. Now another way to access this, which is actually how I usually access it, is it's right in the dashboard. When you log on, there's a little widget there and it'll tell you if you have broken links. So you want to pay close attention to this. What happens is you'll see sometimes lots of links on one page. So for example here, I have this one blog post called Things to Do with Kids in Summerlin, and it had like 8 broken links. Well, the reason for that was we changed our domain name and those had never gotten redirected. So I've already corrected those. And then here's one where it was a holiday blog and we had linked to a company that had a holiday event. And apparently when they no longer had the holiday event, they took down the URL. It's just going to a 404 page. So instead, what I want to do is I want to go in there and change that link to just go to their main domain, or I can actually just click unlink and it'll just unlink it. So then the text and everything stays intact, but it's unlinked now, so it's not a problem. Okay, so here's another one. We've got how to create a monthly housing budget, and I was linking to a little report here and it's not working, so we're going to click unlink. And there it goes. And once it's actually corrected, it'll fix itself. Now, another thing I sometimes find with 404 pages, a lot of times it's just as simple as a domain change. Or, you went from HTTP to HTTPS or something, or you changed your whole domain name, and those need to be fixed. Here, this is very interesting. On this one karaoke page, they're saying that my google.com review links aren't correct, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to recheck this. I want to see why that is. Yeah, that's interesting. So I'll have to check those. But see, they come in groups like that, and you'll see that. Another thing that I sometimes will see is a YouTube video. So I will embed a YouTube video, and then somebody takes that video down or changes the permission to embed or something like that, and then the video will no longer work. So most of this can be cleaned up in a matter of minutes because, like you see, it's usually just by a grouped by one page, and those can be easily fixed. And once they're fixed, so I'll have 0 broken links again, and then I'll be made aware anytime there's a broken link. So this is a great way to make sure that your website is healthy and that you're creating a quality user experience always by making sure that you don't have any broken links on your website.